So guys, I'm right now outside of Bolivia consulate. You can see it's right here. Thank you. Hello guys, good morning from Chile. Today is a beautiful day, it's sunny as you can see. I am in a town called Calama. This is a very local town, but 89 kilometers far away from here. There is a touristic city where we were like since yesterday. And now I'm in Calama because we have to sort out some things. Troubles of having Indian passport, of course. So I have to visit Embassy of Bolivia, actually consulate, to get visa for Bolivia. Let's see if they are giving the visa right now or not, because there are some protest and civil unrest happening in Bolivia. So the country is not so stable right now. So we have to figure it out. And in this video, I will show you this local town of Chile called Calama in northern Chile. And I hope you guys like this video. This is a very basic town, like so chilled, so relaxed, not many people, very calm. So that's how it is. We have to go first to print shop or directly to the consulate. Let's see. Wow, I hope we get the visa, man. See, it's like how 9:14 and all the shops are still closed. Very strange. Like all the shops are still closed, man. So guys, पीछे दुकान थी जहाँ से हमने प्रिंट आउट ले लिया. 2 पेज निकाले हैं, ब्लैक एंड वाइट ही था, और इसका हमने दिया है 400 चिलियन पेसोस. ठीक है, अब हमें जाना है काउंसुलेट, फिर उनसे पेमेंट के बारे में पता करना है, और पहले तो ये पूछना है वीज़ा भी मिल रहा है कि नहीं, इफ़ दे आर गिविंग द वीज़ा और नॉट, बिकॉज there is a protest happening and most of the borders and airport is closed. Actually, airport is closed in Bolivia. Like things are too bad. There is no gas in the country. That's what I heard also. So we need to figure all this out. And that's about it for today. यहाँ से भाई टर्न लेके हमें जाना है काउंसुलेट की तरफ. लेट्स गो. सुबह सुबह उठ गई हूँ भाई मैं 9 बजे वीज़ा के लिए, वरना मैं नहीं उठती, वो भी ठंड में. इम्पॉसिबल. ठंड में कौन उठता है. सो गाइज, आई एम राइट नाउ आउटसाइड ऑफ बोलिविया काउंसुलेट. यू कैन सी इट्स राइट हेयर. दिस इज़ काउंसुलेट ऑफ बोलिविया in Calama, bhai. This is like a very small town, but they give like visa in 1 hour. So if visa is so fast, I don't mind paying the money. But in Paraguay, they were asking me to wait like so many days, and I was like, I'm not waiting. Let me go just illegally. So Bolivia, we have visa now, and I paid in Calama like $50. I have heard that sometimes Bolivia visa is like free for Indians, but in this town it was $50. So we paid that, and we got like not even 1 hour, man. I just went, I gave them the printouts. I deposited the cash in one of the offices, and then yeah, that's it. We got the visa. So let's go to Bolivia. Let's see if it's possible or not. And now first go and eat something. I'm hungry. Yo, today is a beautiful day. Sun is out. Let's go to Bolivia, then Peru, then back to Brazil. Yo, traveling so much. Nice. Guys, I'm in the market area, and in South America they drink lot of mosami and orange juice. तो भाई बहुत पीते हैं लोग, और ऑलमोस्ट फ्रेश दिखे. ओके, थैंक यू. ये भाई 2000 का पड़ा है हमें. और यही चीज़ ना सान पेड्रो में हमें 4,000 की थी, क्योंकि वो टूरिस्ट एरिया था, तो यहाँ पे सस्ता है। 2,000 मतलब $2.5 मान लो, $2.5 का पड़ा है। बढ़िया भाई, बहुत फ्रेश होता है, इंडिया जैसा, डिट्टो इंडिया जैसा होता है। So guys, even in the local town they have such markets. So apparently I think it's like homemade stuff, or people who bake something or who create, they sell here. And sometimes of course bought from China also. So quite interesting. Let's try to find some jackets if possible, otherwise it's okay, we are good in this one for now. See, this is like a city center street. People are walking around, so exploring a local town in Chile. Nice. So guys, we saw this jacket, it looks good enough. If it's $20 we shall buy. So there is some double price written on the counter, so I don't know what's the exact price, but if it's $20 I buy. So what to do? So this is like a store in Chile, and the prices are much better compared to Argentina, like much better. If you compare the price with Argentina, their jacket was like $40-50. Insane. So let's see how is this. ये हुआ है $18 या $19, ठीक है, अर्जेंटीना से बहुत सस्ता पड़ा है, तो थैंक यू। हाँ ओके। तो भाई ये रही अपनी जैकेट, अब ठंड थोड़ी कम लगेगी। So it was quite affordable in Chile, like $19 or $20 maximum. In Argentina it was so bad quality and they were like $50. I was like, yo, or at least 40 if not 50. This is very good jacket, man. Like it can suffer the wind, you know, it's very good, and it's actually men's section, it's not like women. Actually, to be honest, I'm a woman, but I think men have best clothes in the section. Like men clothes are like very strong, reliable. Women, they sell some shit. Yeah. Okay.
Adelante, amita, no se preocupe. Cualquier
Okay.
cosa con su boleta.
Okay. Let's go. Wow. Only problem will be in flights, man. Like I have to hold it in the hand during the flights because there is like no other way. Most of the airlines here have so less baggage limit that that's the only way, like you have to hold it in the hands. So now market is getting busier, as you see, because it's like afternoon, sun is bright, so people are coming out. यो बाटा का शोरूम भी है भाई यहाँ पे. Chile have like much of traditional and local vibe compared with Argentina. I did not like Argentina at all. It was like a white country and very boring, pretty boring. खाने में भाई यहाँ यही ज़िंदगी रह गई है. मैं सैंडविच खा रही हूँ रोज़. That's it. बस. लैटिन अमेरिका में भाई बहुत भूख लगती है. Like every day I'm hungry somehow. Wow. So guys, I'm still walking around in market and it's like afternoon almost. People are playing music, ta ta ta, and We had just a sandwich, which I eat here every day. Like, that's the easiest option. Rice in South America is usually like plastic. So now let's go back to hotel and try to book the bus. Actually, to be honest, we have to book the bus before it gets full. So taking flight is like not really, because 6 to 8 hour journey to Uyuni is not too far. So it's better for us to book the bus. My goodness, today we got done so many stuff, like got the visa, got the printouts, paid the money for the visa, bought the jacket, like so much I did. Man, actually, if you wake up in the morning, you get things done. But if you wake up like 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, like me, then half day is gone. Jesus. Yo. And we need a good coffee. See, this is like the mobile area, mobile shops. And bhai, Chinese, there are Chinese everywhere, even in South America also now. So even in this city, like there are so many Chinese restaurants 2 kilometers far away. So Chinese are going everywhere. Whoa, crazy. So good evening, guys. It's evening time. I'm going out for dinner, and actually in Chile it's okay. It's safe even in the local town to walk around in the night. And we booked the bus ticket for tomorrow 6 a.m. in the morning from Calama to Uyuni. So Uyuni, the Salt Lake area of Bolivia, is very near from this town, only 8 hour journey. But the thing is, I'm wondering, this is a very local town, right? And a very small town. So can we get taxi like 5:30 in the morning for the bus station or not? Like the Uber is going to be there or not? Because we have to go like 3.8 kilometers far away from the bus station. Yo, we need to figure that out. But anyways, see the streets of Calama at night. A very local town, but there are some Africans in this area. Actually, I cannot figure it out if it's Africans or if they are Brazilian blacks. I've not talked to them. But this street have some black people here, and the locals of Chile in this side, they look like Indians. Sorry to say that, like Indians and Nepali and Tibetan, they have those features. Wow. So we are going to eat some random pizza, I think, and it's a little bit far. Or what else can we eat actually? I am tired of sandwich, man. No more sandwich for me. So guys, this is going to be our dinner today. So that's about it. This is the sauce, but I don't know what it is. And we have got some fries. Wow. Life in Chile. Interesting.